again in the Studio 10 kitchen. What they didn't see was me running across the studio.
You made it.
So sometimes it can get. However, I do know, I think it was you before that we were late to a cooking segment, and I think you started by yourself. Didn't you do that one time?
I don't think
or
so.
ended?
I was ready to start by myself.
I was about to say.
So I got your back. Don't worry.
Thanks, girl.
Don't worry.
All right, we're finishing up this dish. Joe is so excited about it. I am too. I've been taking little pieces of Conecuh here
I
and there.
know. We have now half a pound left. We started with a pound, but I ate some too. So I underestimated my time. So we still have our pasta cooking.
Okay.
But so I'll just tell everybody what we would do if our pasta was done cooking. So I have a pound of pasta. I'm using penne. You can just cook it according to the package instructions, and that was kind of our last step. So we would, get that drained and rinsed off with cold water, and then mix all this together. So I'll tell y'all what we did here. We started with our Conecuh. That was a pound. We took that out, and then we added bell peppers, red, yellow, orange, and green. Cooked that, and then I had sliced up about a cup of green onions, so I just put that in there, and that's all ready to go.
Okay.
So we have our pasta, our veggies, and our Conecuh, and then we started our dressing here, and we're just going to finish it up. It was 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, and half a cup of our stone ground mustard. And then you missed it. I did the zest and the juice of a lemon.
I missed it.
I know. So I did that, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of celery seed, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, and kosher salt. And this is our dressing. So like I said, once we get our pasta cooked and cooled off, we'll just put all this together. If you're going to eat it immediately, then it only takes about 3/4 of this dressing. But if you're going to put it in the fridge and serve it the next day, the pasta is going to soak up a lot of the dressing, so you would put all of it on there. So if you're going to eat it right away, I would just dress it to your liking and then put the rest in the fridge in case you don't eat it all. So it's ready to go.
And keep in mind, for the Memorial Day weekend, the best thing you can do is place your grocery order online. Go by and pick it up, and then you don't even have to do anything.
Yes, that is exactly right. Greer.com/shop, and it shows all of our stores that have our curbside pickup, and then we have lots of delivery options too in certain areas, and it is great. And especially if it's going to be raining, we'll get wet. We'll bring it out to your car, and you don't even have to get out of the car. So we want to do all the hard work for you and just make your life out there easier. So online shopping,
Good stuff. We're going to put this up, fox10tv.com. Joe is going to eat the rest of it, and we'll be back to close out the show in just a minute.